Fitbit Inspire 3 Advanced Tracker App. The pros, the cons. Most people think Fitbits are just step counters, but the Fitbit Inspire 3 Advanced Tracker app offers far more than basic activity tracking. You won't believe how much it can help improve your daily health routines with real-time insights. On the plus side, the Fitbit Inspire 3 monitors heart rate, tracks sleep stages, and provides a daily readiness score to help you understand your energy levels. Activity tracking includes steps, distance, calories burned, and active minutes with gentle reminders to move throughout the day. The app also offers stress management tools, guided breathing sessions, and hydration tracking, creating a comprehensive approach to wellness. The device is lightweight and comfortable, making it easy to wear all day and night. Fitbit Premium subscription unlocks additional insights, workout guidance, and personalized sleep coaching. Integration with smartphones allows notifications, music control, and syncing with Apple Health and Google Fit. On the downside, the Inspire November 10, 2025 advanced features require Fitbit Premium, which adds to the overall cost. While the tracker is sleek, it lacks some features found in higher-end Fitbit models like built-in GPS, which means outdoor runs need a phone connection for accurate distance tracking. Battery life is generally strong, lasting up to 10 days, but frequent use of features like notifications or continuous heart rate monitoring can drain it faster. In conclusion, the Fitbit Inspire 3 Advanced Tracker app is an excellent choice for anyone looking for an affordable, easy-to-use health tracker with meaningful insights. It balances activity, sleep, and stress management features in a compact device. While it may not have every high-end feature, its intuitive app and daily health guidance make it a powerful companion for improving your lifestyle.